In today's video, you will learn how to use rate overrides during checkout in Child Care Seer. In a previous video, we applied a rate override to a visit. Today, we will use rate overrides during checkout. In this example, the child is checking out past their scheduled visit time. We can see that Seer recommends possible added charges, which the center director previously configured in the platform. In the dropdown, you have the option to either skip the charges, apply standard hourly rates, or use the late rate you've already defined in Seer. You also have the option to apply any override rate you've defined for this new charge that has been created as a result of a late checkout. As this is a late checkout, I choose to apply the late rate. After making my selection, I click Save, and you can now see the child's updated billing after I click Review. And now you know how to use rate overrides during checkout in Child Care Seer. Thanks for watching.